Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for January 9. The government has made another bold step towards reducing its energy costs. The bill for streetlights, which runs into billions of dollars, will see a reduction with the installation of LED streetlights. About 5,000 lights will be installed across sections of Clarendon, St. Catherine and the corporate area in the first phase of the pilot project. On Tuesday, Clarendon was outfitted with the first set of streetlights. Local Government and Community Development Minister Noel Arscott says persons will be trained in the installation and maintenance of the LED lights.
We have already set up the prototype factory which will produce them in Jamaica, and we hope to certainly to be able to produce all our needs for Jamaica and to export. We're able to monitor them from remote locations, and so therefore if one is removed or one is not working, we're able to track that by computer from a remote location.
The first installation phase of the project should be completed within 6 months. Effective July of this year, all new road projects, including Highway 2000, will be subject to periodic road safety audits. Transport Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies says government's road safety plans for the year will also include upgrading road services in St. Andrew to improve the movement of disabled persons.
Funding is now in place to install tactile surfaces for the visually impaired and wheelchair users in the Papine area, from the Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Center to Papine Square.
Under the Inter-American Development Bank's Road Improvement Program, guardrails that have been destroyed as a result of traffic collisions in St. Mary's, St. Thomas and Portland will be replaced. In the meantime, the minister has called on the Road Safety Unit to do a comprehensive analysis of fatal collisions in 2012.
The more data we have to be analyzed, I think we'll be able to reach some conclusions as to what are the areas of intervention.
Dr. Davies was speaking at the handing over of road safety infomercials by the Insurance Company of the West Indies on Tuesday. The Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation KSAC will be intensifying its efforts to clamp down on illegal vending in downtown Kingston. Deputy Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, says the KSAC is speaking with vendors and business operators to discuss its enforcement activities.
The objective is to make it clear that we are determined to restore good order to the streets of Kingston. Public order needs to be restored to the heart of the city. In short, vending will not be allowed in no vending areas.
Among other things, the KSAC will clean the market areas, remove stalls from the unauthorized areas, and improve signage within the market district. A town hall meeting is planned for January 23 at ATB King Street to discuss these and other measures with all stakeholders. Meanwhile, the KSAC will be rolling out a new strategic plan this year to set out its local economic development program and efforts to improve customer service.
This will be a first for the KSAC and comes out of the strategic priorities on which we are focused.
Among other things, the 4-point plan incorporates strategies to reduce the council's financial dependence on central government. Full transparency will be promoted through a series of town hall meetings and a tabloid called CityLink to be rolled out this year. An IT application called Completely Kingston will also be fully launched, giving the public an avenue to report breaches across the municipality. And effective April 1, the KSAC will begin posting information on its website on contracts for goods and services in excess of $275,000. And finally, work will get underway next month on the construction of a state-of-the-art library and computer center in the Maroon community of Accompong St. Elizabeth. It's being built on the grounds of the Accompong Primary and Junior High School and will serve both children and adults from the community. More than $6 million was donated by musician and Accompong resident Mystic Boy. At the recent groundbreaking ceremony, Education Minister Ronald Thwaites praised Mr. Boy for the investment, which he says supports government's push for public-private partnerships.
This is exactly the kind of partnership that we want, where someone from the community, people, business, doesn't matter, church, comes together with the education system to lift up the hopes and the possibilities of our children.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.